Looking for an easy way to organize your schedule on your iPhone? Dola AI helps you create reminders, manage events, and stay on top of your day with simple conversations. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Dola AI on an iPhone, from getting started to creating your first reminders and calendar events. So let's begin. If you haven't already, install the Dola AI app if it's available for your region, or access Dola AI through its supported mobile platform or web interface. Once it's ready, sign in with your existing account or create a new one. After signing in, follow the setup process. Allow any permissions you want to use, such as notifications, and connect your preferred calendar if you plan to sync your events across devices. Take a moment to explore the main screen. Depending on how you're using Dola AI, you'll see a chat interface, upcoming reminders, scheduled events, or shortcuts for creating new tasks. Tap the message field and type a reminder using natural language. For examples, you could say, "Remind me to call my dentist tomorrow at 10 in the morning." Dola AI will understand your request and prepare the reminder automatically. You can also schedule meetings or appointments by describing the event, along with the date and time. Review the event details before confirming, and Dola AI will add it to your schedule. If your plans change, open an existing reminder or event to edit or remove it. Keeping your schedule updated helps ensure your reminders remain accurate throughout the day. To avoid missing important reminders, make sure notifications remain enabled in your iPhone settings. This allows Dola AI to alert you whenever a reminder or event is due. And that's how to use Dola AI on an iPhone. Once everything is set up, you can quickly manage reminders, schedule meetings, and organize your day with just a few simple messages. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.